You know what I really hate? Dirty hands, especially the kind of hands that probably have COVID-19 on them. Give me 2 minutes of your time and I'll show you how to properly wash your hands. I have all this black soot on the palm of my hands and in the crevices of my fingers. So first, what you want to do is turn on the pipe, make sure that the water is not hot, make sure it's not cold. You want to make sure that it is warm. Perfect. I love this temperature. Then you're going to get a pump of hand soap or a nickel-sized amount, especially if you have big hands like me. And then what you can do is just rub, rub, rub for 20 seconds. Make sure you get in those crevices. Now you want to make a rinse off. This part is very important in order to avoid cross-contamination from when you first turn the sink on. You have to grab a paper towel. And then dry your hands. And then turn the faucet off with the paper towel still in hand though. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you properly wash your hands. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.